What's up guys, this is your boy SA Random, and today I have got the Aukey Dashcam hardwired kit. Now this to enable parking mode. So basically the reason I got this is because I want to have parking mode on my dashcam. Now with that you do need to have a hardwire onto a 12-volt power supply. Okay, so that other hardwire kits out there, but I wanted to get this one from Aukey because you need to make sure it has a built-in regulator. So what that allows, it doesn't let your car battery fully die. So I did have one on my old dash cam, but that broke, so that's why I needed one. Like I know next base they store the battery, so it does have a motion, but with these type of cameras they don't really store any kind of battery or any energy after the car's off. And even then the next base it was hit and miss until you got the hardwire kit. So you got some instruction there. You got a mount, you got a warranty card, but not flipping over because that's like a scan code you scan online. And this is it really. So there is, it's just this tiny little device. See, it says right, okay, let's see, it says right there, input voltage, output voltage, volt I mean, whatever. And there's your OBD2 port, so this way it gets consistent power from. Now, and I believe in here it regulates the power and like an additional motion sensor for the car, I believe. I think that's what Aukey claimed on the website. So basically, obviously you can't just your dash cam, you put this next to it and you run that to your OBD2 port. So yeah, so if we get consistent power from your OBD2 port even when your car's off, so that will enable parking mode. So if someone just hit your car, it will turn on, your sensor will turn on, record. So at least then when your car's parked, you know that your dash cam is still recording. So I've had many times where someone hit my car on the next base camera, because of motion detect, it did turn off sometimes. When I got my other camera from black view, I had this same system like this. I was a bit different, but like same like thing. That like when someone hit my car, it turned on, but then I don't know, it just stopped working, stopped connecting to the Wi-Fi. Like it just totally stopped working. Then I went for Aukey. So yeah, so let's see how this does. And yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the Aukey hardwire kit. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you're thinking about this video. Tell me how you can improve my videos. And yeah, I'll see you next time.